19. And as you can tell, I don't feel any better today than I did yesterday. So this morning I babysat and I came back and I slept all afternoon. It's about 6:30 at night. So I'm going to try to do stuff so that I can get myself tired again to go to sleep at night. We are so behind on these. I think today's the 19th, so 4 of them. I don't want to be sick for Christmas, but I literally have stuff every single day until Christmas. So this one says, "You are all that matters." December 16. "My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever." Psalm 73:26. It says, "Turn it for good." December 17. "And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose." Romans 8:28. This one says, "Let earth receive her king." December 18. "Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace to men on whom his favor rests." Luke 2:14. And at the bottom it says 1 week till Christmas. Well, now, a week from now, Christmas will be over. Have I bought anybody anything? No. "Because your love is better than life, my lips will glorify you. I will praise you as long as I live, and in your name I will lift up my hands." Psalm 63:3-4. All right. I'm going to go try to do something productive and post some more things to Poshmark. Wow, I sound terrible. I'm sorry. Thank you for listening to me if you are. All right, let's go do some stuff. Stuff that needs to either be listed or just reorganized. These are all sweaters and jackets, shirts, dresses, vests, scarves, pants, shorts, and skirts. Random things, shoes. They're not good quality, or stuff that's like books underneath that have already been listed. Accessories, that's going back in my closet because I have use for them now. And then those things are already listed. And then stuff I'm getting rid of. Also the stuff I'm donating. So most of that is already on my Poshmark, which as you can see there's a lot of it. So I really, really want to do that video that I was talking about yesterday to like try on everything and show you guys what it looks like, because I really just want to sell it because this is all like really good stuff and it's good quality. I just don't want to like keep it stuffed in my closet when I'm not wearing it. So I'd really like to sell it and get some value from it. But like if nobody buys it, like there's so much stuff. There are 2 bins here full of stuff and I just really need to get rid of it. I just would rather sell it than give it away to like Goodwill or something that's gonna sell it anyway. So I'm gonna list those things to Poshmark or eBay depending on what they are. And then, sorry, the lighting is awful. And then I will get back to this and reorganize everything. Okay, so I just stacked both bins on top of each other, but basically this top bin is stuff to donate and the bottom bin is everything I'm selling. So as you can tell, that is like overflowing and really this stuff needs to sell. So please check out my Poshmark and my eBay, which I'll link in the description, and see if there's anything that you're interested in, because I'm really trying to get rid of it but also get value for it. It's really good stuff, I promise. It's not crappy. This is some of the more can't really be sold stuff, and some of it's really good. Like these sheets are perfectly good. I'm actually donating those to a shelter, but... And just when I thought I was done. Okay, I listed those things. I'm now gonna get ready to edit this video, get it up, and then I'm going to sleep. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be feeling better. I doubt it, but I guess we'll see. All right, bye.